Hello, hello, bonjour, hola.
Onun güçlü bir iş etiği var.
She has a strong work ethic. She has a strong work ethic.
O dürüstlüğü bir etik olarak görüyor.
He believes in honesty as an ethic. He believes in honesty as an ethic.
Etikler iş dünyasında önemlidir.
Ethics are important in business. Ethics are important in business.
Kararlılığının etikleri hakkında tartışıyorlar.
They discuss the ethic of their decisions. They discuss the ethic of their decisions.
Şirket yüksek etik standartlarını korur.
The company maintains a high standard of ethics. The company maintains a high standard of ethics.
Onun sıkı çalışma etiği başkalarına ilham veriyor.
His ethic of hard work inspires others. His ethic of hard work inspires others.
Eylemlerimizin etik yönlerini dikkate almalıyız.
We should consider the ethic of our actions. We should consider the ethic of our actions.
Bakım etiği sağlık hizmetlerinde çok önemlidir.
The ethic of care is crucial in healthcare. The ethic of care is crucial in healthcare.
Filozoflar genellikle etiklerin doğasını tartışır.
Philosophers often debate the nature of ethics. Philosophers often debate the nature of ethics.
Etik hakkında sağlam bir anlayış davranışlarımızı yönlendirebilir.
A solid understanding of ethic can guide our behavior. A solid understanding of ethic can guide our behavior.
Buz katıdır.
The ice is solid. The ice is solid.
Bu masa katı ahşaptan yapılmıştır.
This table is made of solid wood. This table is made of solid wood.
Bir bina için katı bir temel önemlidir.
A solid foundation is important for a building. A solid foundation is important for a building.
Kaya çok katıdır.
The rock is very solid. The rock is very solid.
Matematik konusunda katı bir anlayışı var.
She has a solid understanding of math. She has a solid understanding of math.
Tartışma sırasında sağlam bir argüman sundu.
He gave a solid argument during the debate. He gave a solid argument during the debate.
Katı kanıtlar teoriyi destekledi.
The solid evidence supported the theory. The solid evidence supported the theory.
Evi korumak için katı bir duvar inşa ettiler.
They built a solid wall to protect the house. They built a solid wall to protect the house.
Onun katı performansı jüriyi etkiledi.
Her solid performance impressed the judges. Her solid performance impressed the judges.
Bilim insanı katı araştırma bulgularını sundu.
The scientist presented solid research findings. The scientist presented solid research findings.
Çevresel konularda güçlü bir durumu var.
She has a strong stance on environmental issues. She has a strong stance on environmental issues.
Tartışma sırasında durumu çok açıktı.
His stance during the debate was very clear. His stance during the debate was very clear.
Yeni kanıt sunulduktan sonra duruşlarını değiştirdiler.
They changed their stance after the new evidence was presented. They changed their stance after the new evidence was presented.
Eğitim reformu üzerindeki durumu geniş çapta saygı görüyor.
Her stance on education reform is widely respected. Her stance on education reform is widely respected.
Kuruluşun durumu barış ve anlayışı teşvik etmektir.
The organization's stance is to promote peace and understanding. The organization's stance is to promote peace and understanding.
Bu konudaki durumu birçok tartışmaya neden oldu.
His stance on this matter has caused a lot of discussions. His stance on this matter has caused a lot of discussions.
Tarafsız bir durumu benimsemek bazen en iyi yaklaşım olabilir.
Adopting a neutral stance can sometimes be the best approach. Adopting a neutral stance can sometimes be the best approach.
Politikacının sağlık hizmetleri üzerindeki durumu yıllar içinde değişti.
The politician's stance on healthcare has changed over the years. The politician's stance on healthcare has changed over the years.
Birçok liderin iklim değişikliği konusunda farklı durumu var.
Many leaders have different stances on climate change. Many leaders have different stances on climate change.
Sosyal adalet konularındaki kamusal durumu birçok kişiyi etkiledi.
Her public stance on social justice issues has inspired many. Her public stance on social justice issues has inspired many.
Kapıya ayak parmağımla çarptım.
I stubbed my toe on the door. I stubbed my toe on the door.
ayak parmaklarını parlak bir renge boyadı.
She painted her toenails a bright color. She painted her toenails a bright color.
Futbol oynarken ayak parmağını yaraladı.
He injured his toe while playing soccer. He injured his toe while playing soccer.
Uzun yürüyüşten sonra büyük ayak parmağım ağrıyor.
My big toe hurts after the long walk. My big toe hurts after the long walk.
Her zaman ayak parmaklarını göstermek için sandalet giyer.
She always wears sandals to show off her toes. She always wears sandals to show off her toes.
Onun ayak parmağında bir dövme var.
He has a tattoo on his toe. He has a tattoo on his toe.
Ayak parmaklarınızı temiz ve kuru tutmak önemlidir.
It's important to keep your toes clean and dry. It's important to keep your toes clean and dry.
Yeni ayakkabılardan dolayı ayak parmağında bir su toplaması var.
She has a blister on her toe from the new shoes. She has a blister on her toe from the new shoes.
Ayak parmaklarını bağımsız olarak hareket ettirebiliyor.
He can move his toes independently. He can move his toes independently.
Esnekliği artırmak için ayak parmaklarını sık sık çalıştırır.
She often exercises her toes to improve flexibility. She often exercises her toes to improve flexibility.
O 18 yaşında.
She is 18 years old. She is 18 years old.
Geçen ay 18 yaşına gireceğim.
I will turn 18 next month. I will turn 18 next month.
18 birçok kültürde önemli bir yaştır.
18 is a significant age in many cultures. 18 is a significant age in many cultures.
18. doğum günlerini birlikte kutladılar.
They celebrated their 18th birthday together. They celebrated their 18th birthday together.
18 öğrenci sınavı geçti.
18 students passed the exam. 18 students passed the exam.
Birçok ülkede yasal oy verme yaşı 18'dir.
The legal voting age in many countries is 18. The legal voting age in many countries is 18.
O 18 yaşında liseyi bitirdi.
He graduated from high school at 18. He graduated from high school at 18.
Etkinliğe 18 farklı ülke katıldı.
18 different countries participated in the event. 18 different countries participated in the event.
Sonunda 18 yaşında ve bağımsız olmaktan heyecanlıydı.
She was excited to finally be 18 and independent. She was excited to finally be 18 and independent.
18 yaşında dünyayı gezmeye karar verdi.
At 18, he decided to travel the world. At 18, he decided to travel the world.
Dün gece bir otelde kaldım.
I stayed at a hotel last night. I stayed at a hotel last night.
Otel plajın yakınında.
The hotel is near the beach. The hotel is near the beach.
Tatilimiz için bir otel rezervasyonu yapacağız.
We are going to book a hotel for our vacation. We are going to book a hotel for our vacation.
Otel her sabah ücretsiz kahvaltı sunuyor.
The hotel offers free breakfast every morning. The hotel offers free breakfast every morning.
Şehirde lüks bir otelde çalışıyor.
He works at a luxury hotel in the city. He works at a luxury hotel in the city.
Bu otelin dağlara güzel bir manzarası var.
This hotel has a beautiful view of the mountains. This hotel has a beautiful view of the mountains.
Evcil hayvan kabul eden bir otel bulmam gerekiyor.
I need to find a hotel that allows pets. I need to find a hotel that allows pets.
Otel personeli çok dost canlısı ve yardımcıydı.
The hotel staff was very friendly and helpful. The hotel staff was very friendly and helpful.
Uzun bir seyahatten sonra nihayet otele vardım.
After a long day of travel, I finally arrived at the hotel. After a long day of travel, I finally arrived at the hotel.
Otel misafirleri için çeşitli olanaklar sunmaktadır.
The hotel provides various amenities for its guests. The hotel provides various amenities for its guests.
Mektubu zarfa koydum.
I put the letter in the envelope. I put the letter in the envelope.
Zarfı dikkatlice kapattı.
She sealed the envelope carefully. She sealed the envelope carefully.
Bana o zarfı verebilir misin?
Can you hand me that envelope? Can you hand me that envelope?
Zarf mavi ve büyük.
The envelope is blue and large. The envelope is blue and large.
Bugün postada bir zarf aldı.
He received an envelope in the mail today. He received an envelope in the mail today.
Bu belgeyi göndermek için bir zarf lazım.
I need an envelope to send this document. I need an envelope to send this document.
Zarfı çıkartmalarla süsledi.
She decorated the envelope with stickers. She decorated the envelope with stickers.
Zarf önemli bilgiler içeriyordu.
The envelope contained important information. The envelope contained important information.
Lütfen zarfın doğru bir şekilde adreslendiğinden emin ol.
Please make sure the envelope is addressed correctly. Please make sure the envelope is addressed correctly.
Sanatçı, enstalasyonun bir parçası olarak bir zarf kullandı.
The artist used an envelope as part of her installation. The artist used an envelope as part of her installation.
Bu duvar tuğladan yapılmıştır.
This wall is made of brick. This wall is made of brick.
Bahçede bir tuğla buldum.
I found a brick in the garden. I found a brick in the garden.
Evin tuğla bir bacası var.
The house has a brick chimney. The house has a brick chimney.
O pencereye bir tuğla attı.
He threw a brick at the window. He threw a brick at the window.
Onlar tuğla bir ev inşa ediyorlar.
They are building a brick house. They are building a brick house.
O tuğla bir duvarın resmini yaptı.
She painted a picture of a brick wall. She painted a picture of a brick wall.
Bir tuğla bir tülden daha ağırdır.
A brick is heavier than a feather. A brick is heavier than a feather.
Sanatçı heykeli için bir tuğla kullandı.
The artist used a brick for his sculpture. The artist used a brick for his sculpture.
Düz olduğundan emin olmak için tuğlayı dikkatlice yerleştirdi.
He laid the brick carefully to make sure it was straight. He laid the brick carefully to make sure it was straight.
Antik şehir büyük tuğlalarla inşa edilmiştir.
The ancient city was built with large bricks. The ancient city was built with large bricks.